How to import an existing listing into Listing Builder to edit. Why is this important? How can it make you money? Well, I've told you before that this is not just about creating new listings. You can also import your existing listing so you can start managing it in Listing Builder and making the updates inside and seeing how your SEO works. Another kind of strategy that I think is slept on is you can import your competitor's listing into your Listing Builder. If you kind of want to see, hey, how is their keyword density? Like, where do they include certain keywords in their listing? Let me see how they have their SEO set up. Let me show you how you can do either of those. Right here in Listing Builder, I'm going to hit the button, add a listing. All right. Now, once I do that, I have three options: create from scratch, optimize your listings, or generate images with AI. Let me just show you what happens if I hit optimize your listing. It's going to be linked to my Amazon account if you have already connected your Amazon account to Helium 10. And now I can just choose any one of my listings, and it's going to go ahead and import it right here into Listing Builder. But as I said before, I can import anybody's listing. So for example, here is a competitor bath mat out here. Maybe I want to see how they have their listing set up. All I have to do is copy the ASIN, and then I hit create from scratch, and then I choose the marketplace. So remember, I can go ahead and import a listing in Amazon USA, Germany, France, UK, Brazil, Belgium even. Didn't realize we had that. India, Japan, and more. This one is going to be from the USA. I'm going to go ahead and put the ASIN right here, and then I'm going to hit start building. Now, what Helium 10 is doing right now is it's importing the title, the bullet points, and if it's available, the description right into my own Listing Builder. So if I had a whole list of keywords, now I'm going to be able to see, hey, how do they have their listing all set up? Now, if you've got the diamond plan, you kind of don't need to do this kind of competitor checking, because we've got the competitor performance score that I'm going to talk about in a later strategy. But if you're just in the platinum plan, you want to be able to have visibility with how your competitors have their SEO set up. This is the way to import their listing right into your Listing Builder. And so as you can see right here, I've got their product title, I've got their bullet points, and no description since they had A+ content. So again, if you're getting started with your own listing, connect it from your own account so you can have a base here. And just remember, Listing Builder is not just about making new listings. This is kind of like your hub where you can manage your existing listings so that later when I show you how to sync them, it's going to be a lot easier as opposed to having to go back and forth to Seller Central, copying and pasting. But even if you're not doing that, this is also another way that you can look at your competitors' SEO with how they have the keywords placed and how many of the important keywords that you identified they have in their listing.